Alright, hey, what's up guys? I do hope you're all having a great day. Today is the daily December upload number 11. In today's video we are going to be putting on the last part that I had ordered for the E46 before everything went downhill with that. And as I told you guys in that video a couple of days ago from last week, is that the E46 is on hold and I'm going to still install the parts that I had already ordered because I don't want them to go to waste and just lie around, and they are only exterior parts. So with that being said, let's open up this package and show you guys what we are going to be doing today. The thing we're going to be replacing today and swapping out are the badges. As you guys can see, we did swap out these badges a while back, but they've started to go bad. So we'll add on some new ones. It should be good. The majority of the time these badges do have adhesive on the back, so if it is a bit of a pain to remove, just apply some heat to melt the adhesive and it should be easier to remove. All you really need afterwards is a pry bar tool or a trim tool. Just put underneath and pop out the old badge. That stuff's nasty. So in order to clean that, I'm going to be using some quick detailer, microfiber. Clean that up, then apply the new badge. Now that we got that all cleaned up, just remove the plastic off the new badge. And from here, it's pretty easy. These two prongs go in those two spots right there and there. Just put those in. And if you need to add some adhesive on the back, car's not going anywhere, so this should be fine for me. And apply pressure. Clicks. And there you go. Now we also do this for the back as well. From what I can tell, on the old ones it didn't have adhesive either, and I just used super glue at the time, I guess. I'm glad that's gone. Same thing for the back. There's the old one. Clean that up. To apply this is pretty much the same thing on the prongs, and just push it in. There you go. And there you guys go. Swapping out the badges took only at most like a few minutes, and it does help out with the look because we've replaced the crummy old badges that were starting to fade with some brand new ones. And with that being said, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit short. I know these past couple ones have been short. I'm just still trying to record more videos and try and see what I can do now that the E46 is out of commission. So with that being said, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what type of videos that you guys would like to see as well. And I'll have a look if I can make them. It doesn't have to be on the E46. It could be on the F-150. It could be on the Mustang. It could be on the Marauder. It could be something else entirely that is within my reach, and I will make a video about it for you guys, as long as you guys do comment down below and you do let me know what exactly you want to see. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy it, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below and to liking the video, so I know you guys enjoyed it. And with that being said, I hope to see you all tomorrow. See ya.